Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. It's time to have a look at the crypto market again, and as I mentioned on my first video analyzing cryptos, I'm going to use Bitcoin as a proxy for the crypto market. I think we can all sort of agree that Bitcoin is a leader in the crypto market, and wherever Bitcoin is going, the general crypto market seems to be going. So yeah, last time when I analyzed Bitcoin, it was around here, and what I was saying is that there's potential for this to sort of drop to around the 17, 16, 15,000 level before showing signs of recovery. And we've just been moving sideways. We haven't actually quite recovered yet. Last few days we've had some upward movement, especially on some other cryptos, especially the smaller ones, and even on Ethereum we've had some substantial moves up, and it does look like the rally has started, but I'm not so sure, to be honest. I'm not so sure. I think it could be a false rally. So I wouldn't sort of jump onto buying crypto just yet. I need to see a little bit more action before I could sort of say dive in. But of course, if you're looking for long-term crypto investments, then I feel we're pretty close to the bottom. I feel Bitcoin could still drop to around the 16,000-ish level before showing signs of proper recovery. It might be a quick bounce. What I mean by that is, fair enough, it's taking ages to sort of move on, and it might take its time going down to 16,000. But I think when it gets to somewhere around there, I think the bounce back up will be pretty dramatic and pretty fast. So you might miss the boat, but that's okay. I wouldn't even want to get into crypto until it's broken this trend line of mine. So that's where I stand. So when I see crypto sort of heading back above the 20,000 level after dipping, I'd want to get in. Or the other scenario is I'd want to get in at crypto when it breaches the 30,000 level. Between 20 and 30, I'm not so sure. I feel a bit uncomfortable. I'd want to see either dipping a bit lower and coming back to 20, or if that doesn't happen, then I'd like to see the 30,000 retested again, and there I would possibly look to want to trade or invest in cryptos. So that's that. We'll have another look at this in a few weeks' time. I hope this helps. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.